Hello again and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In this video we'll see how we can create widgets in WordPress and then place those widgets in different areas of our website. Now what is a widget and why do we need to have widgets on our websites? A widget is a generic term for a self-contained code that displays a program or a part of program that we use very often in our websites. So to be more specific, a widget is just a shortcut that takes you to bigger programs. For example, you have certain features in your website that you or your users have to access redundantly many times in a specific period. You make shortcut of those features or those programs in the form of widgets and place them on different areas of your website. Now where can you place a widget is totally dependent on the theme you're using. Every theme has its own permissions for the areas that we can add our widgets in. For example, now I'm using Astra theme, and Astra allows us to place our widgets in a footer, sidebar and header. You can add as many widgets in your sidebar and header, but 4 widgets in your footer. Now let's see how we can create widgets and display them on our websites. Go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance tab and click on Widgets. Now these are the available widgets we can use, and these are the areas we can display our widgets in. Now this theme allows us to add widgets in our sidebar and has 4 widgets areas in our footer, in header and separately in footer bar sections too. Today we'll see how we can add widgets in sidebar and footer widget areas. Adding widgets in header and footer bar are rare, and this one also requires to edit the footer credits, which I'll make a separate video on because that'll make this video lengthy. So how can you add a widget to your widget area? For example, if I want to add a widget to my sidebar, click it and drag any widget from here to that area. You give a title to this widget, save it, and now let's see if it's been added to our website. Now my home page is full width, it has no sidebar. I have a sidebar on About Us page, so let's go to About Us and see that the calendar has been added here. Let's go and delete it and refresh the website, and you'll see that now the sidebar is empty. First we'll see how we can add widgets in our footer areas. Go to your website. We saw how we can duplicate posts and pages in the last video. These two cards are just a duplicate of this original post we created in one of our videos. So if you've not seen that video, you'll find the link in description. Now come down and see that there's currently no widget in our footer area. Go to your dashboard and click Customize in Appearance tab. Now you'll have your own settings according to the theme you're using. So search where your footer widget setting is located. For me it is in Layout, Footer and Footer Widgets. Currently it is disabled. Now this theme is eligible to have 4 widget areas. Click on this option and now you'll see 4 widget areas have been added to our website. Click Publish and refresh your website, and they've been added here. Now we will add widgets to these widget areas. Go to your dashboard and let's say we want to add text in the first widget area. Click this drop down arrow on the widget and select the widget area you want to have it in. I want to have it in footer widget area 1. Click it and click add widget. Now you'll see that in footer widget area 1 I have this widget added. Add a title. I'll give a title of my website and add some text. Go to lorem ipsum This is a website that generates random text for you, so in case you need dummy content, just copy and paste this and click save. Now go to your website and refresh it, and you'll see that the first widget has been added. Now let's say we want to add a navigation menu in the second footer widget area. Give it a name and select the menu you want to display here. Currently we have only one menu, which is main menu, so click it and save and refresh your website, and you'll see that we have our menu here. We can navigate our website from this header menu or this footer menu too. For example, click blog and it will take you to the blog page. Back to home, and there you are. Now you can select the widgets according to your own requirements or according to what the website is about. So I'm just going for random widgets here. You can add a search box too, so let's add it to our footer widget area 4 and add widget. Give it a title and click save and refresh your website. So we see that a search box has been added here. Select any other random widget from here. Let's say we want to add a calendar to footer widget area 3. Click save. Refresh your website and a calendar will be displayed here. So this is how you add your widgets to your footer. Let's now see how we can add widgets in our sidebar. Go to sidebar and drag the widgets you want to have in your sidebar. I'll add a calendar. Let's say add an audio, and we'll have to select a file. Click add widget, and now this audio will be displayed there. Click on save and refresh your website. Now go to about us page, as we don't have any sidebar on this page, and you'll see that a calendar and an audio has been added. Let's play this audio. You can control the volume and seek through the playlist too. Go back to your dashboard. Now in footer you could only add 4 widgets, but in sidebar you can add as many widgets as you want. So let's just stuff our sidebar with widgets. You can add an RSS feed, a search box. You can also add a form to your sidebar or your footer. Let's add it to sidebar. We have a contact us form we created in one of our videos. Select that form and save it. Give a title to this search box. Now refresh this page, and you'll see that we have the menu, the audio, the search box, and the form we created in one of our video. You can fill this form and submit it from here instead of going to contact us page. This is what I meant while I said that widgets are a shortcut. So if you want your visitors to see this contact form as a first thing they enter this website, you simply add this widget to the top of your sidebar on your home page. Now this will reduce the overhead of the user going to contact us page separately and then fill this contact form. You can add videos too. Just go through them one by one. I'll not go through all of these as the purpose of this video is fulfilled already. So this is how you add widgets to different areas of your website. Explore more by changing your themes, and you might find something interesting, because this functionality is entirely dependent upon our themes. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and turn on the notifications for this channel so that you can get notified as soon as I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next video.